Yeah, yeah, it's crunk out here. I'm living large and out charge. Fuck the dog pound. Yeah, yeah. I know all my other dogs. They've been locked up, but I actually live on this block. Yeah, yeah. Ask about me. I'm the greatest German Shepherd you ever seen before. Wow, 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 motherfucker. Look at me. Yeah. I'm walking up and down the street right now, checking this out. I'm the mayor of the town, and I'm the only dog that can do this at nighttime. You see, I ain't got no dog leash because I don't need one. I'm a grown dog. Grown dog. You see how I'm walking up and down the sidewalk. I don't want to eat none of them pears, no matter there. Yeah. I'm everywhere. Yeah. I'm the mayor. Hell damn. I've been in the military, serving, running around Iraq, bulletproof vest, sniffing out bombs. Yeah. I could be your local drug dog. But what I find, I just might keep. Yes. They said I got magical powers with my nose. Yeah, it's just getting crunk over here. What I smell in the bushes. It said, yes, let me show you my magical powers. Oh, it's a frog. That's a Happy Meal. I could've get that, but little homie with the camera already fed me. Yeah, it's getting crunk out here. You see me? I'm out here every day, 24/7. It said if y'all get an exclusive car, I might show you where I might kick it. Yeah. So this is a couple of other houses I stopped by. I'm the rent collector. Call me Mike Larry. Yeah. I said I might be scratching at your door just to get a sniff at your door. How you cut this shit? I said, yeah, I'm back. Yeah, we was on commercial break. You better not turn that camera off. I'll come fuck you up. As I fucked you up, you turn off that camera. Yeah, I'm also the owner of this pretty green car. And I'm walking all around. Nigga, you need to give me some water right now. Cause I ain't playing. I'm thirsty. I'm down when I'm finna fuck this cup up. You got me walking all across butt fucking Egypt. And I'm thirsty. Give me some water. Negro, please. Some water before someone go get bit in the ass.